Hello and welcome to Morris Nursery. My name is Holly and I am happy to be here today to talk to you about butterfly and hummingbird plants. So I have collected a whole bunch of plants right here, as you can see, that each in their own way will attract either a hummingbird or a butterfly or both. So starting up here with like our little ground cover, this is called thyme. And so when thyme blooms and everything, it does attract butterflies. It won't attract hummingbirds because the flowers are too small, but it will attract those butterflies in great amount. Plus, it just smells amazing. Moving on, we have some wonderful verbena right here. We carry verbena in both 6-packs and in 4-inch. This is a little bit of a more unique variety right here. As you can see, it has a little bit of a white eye, and it's really great. It's good in hanging pots, it's good in just the ground. It makes wonderful ground cover and everything. Along with alyssum. You can see they kind of have similar flowers, but again, hummingbirds and butterflies are both attracted to this one because of the sweet smell it has. It's also good to put in your vegetable garden to attract pollinating insects to help increase productivity, as you can hear about that in one of our previous videos about veggies. We also have another wonderful plant. Now this is a bigger one. You can use it as a centerpiece in a pot, or you can use it as a nice like colorful bush in your yard. This is called Gaura, and if you actually look closely at the little flowers, they look almost like butterflies themselves, and they do come in different colors. Ooh, I have a pink one right over here. I was a little mean to the plant, please forgive me. But yeah, you can see very pretty dark pink flowers. They also come in a paler pink. They come in 4-inch and 1 gallons. Right here in the center, this nice blue spike is called Mystic Spires Salvia, and it's really great. It gathers hummingbirds more than it will butterflies because of the particular shape of the flowers. But if you love hummingbirds, you can plant a whole bunch of different salvias in your yard, and you will have so many you will not know what to do with yourself. It's great. Right here next to it, I have some Coreopsis. And Coreopsis is really nice in that usually it has very bright flowers, so it's great for adding pops of color into your yard while also attracting primarily butterflies. They come in different colors, anywhere from white to a really nice red. As you can see, this is a nice yellow, which is their typical color. Over here, we have lavender, which is a wonderful, wonderful plant for attracting both birds and butterflies. This is a more unique variety called lace leaf. It's a type of French lavender, and one thing that I really like about it is the flowers look almost like little tridents. You have the main stem in the middle, and then you have like 2 little offshoots. So another lavender that I have is actually over here on the other side, and this particular one is called pink lavender. It's a type of Spanish lavender, as you can see by the little bunny ears on the top. We also have them in white and lavender, but honestly I think this pink is really cute. It's very different. Right here we have some Nepeta, which is also known as catmint, not to be confused with catnip. 2 entirely different plants. They do have similar flowers, of course, though. But catmint and catnip are both different plants. One you can use for tea. This one is just decorative use. This particular one is called Junior Walker. It's a very nice plant to put out in your yard as like a mounding ground cover. It's easy to maintain. You can literally just whack it back and it'll regrow every time. Last but not least, I have another salvia right here. This is a little bit different from the other one that I showed you, this Mystic Blue Spires. This is called an autumn sage, and they come in a variety of different colors, from white, pink, purple, red, yellow. They also come in like a creamy yellow. They are a wonderful plant that gets typically about 3 feet by 3 feet wide, so it just creates a nice massive bush that gets covered in flowers throughout spring, summer, on into fall, which will attract hummingbirds and butterflies galore. Now, before we end this video, I want to talk a little bit about Monterey BT. Now, a lot of you guys have noticed like caterpillars munching on certain plants and everything, and Monterey BT is a great product to keep stuff away from your desirable plants. You spray it once a week, every week during the caterpillar season, and as they munch the leaves, they ingest the organic bacteria and it kills them. However, if you spray it on plants such as these, if you're wanting to encourage butterflies and everything, you kind of want to keep the Monterey BT away from it, because it'll affect the butterflies as well. All right. Well, it's been such a nice time talking to you all. Have a wonderful day. Stay home, stay safe, and goodbye.